You know
what's so funny?
Because I would trade him. I would actually trade Zion.
To who?
I would find
find somebody.
I would find someone and trade him because, again, you just asked the question about for us, like, basically, can you trust him to be your franchise guy? And since he came in the league, no, because you can't trust that he's going to be available on the floor. And so when I look at this situation, I'm like, okay, this is starting to be a trend. Like every single season, we like, oh, Zion and lost weight. Zion looks healthy. Then all of a sudden, this happens. If I'm the Pelicans, I have Brandon Ingram. I have C.J. McCollum. I have a bunch of young pieces that are over there playing extremely hard that has a bright future. I would actually consider trading him this offseason, to be honest with you.
That's a bold one, Perk, and I actually don't think it's that off the wall because they do have a bunch of good young players: Herb Jones, Trey Murphy, Dyson Daniels. Yep. On and on. They also have a million picks, including a lot of Lakers picks, which could be pretty valuable. Trading someone at this point in his value is usually a losing proposition. Or they would find someone. They would find someone because the talent is that enticing. To me, that feels early. It feels sad. But the word you use, trust. That makes it seem like it's like someone's fault. I don't know.
No.
It just is what it is. Right?
It's basically
he doesn't play.
Well, I'm questioning, like, when I say trust, do you trust his body?
And that's the thing. He is a linebacker playing football and jumping through the roof. We just haven't seen that body type ever.
Yeah. Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.